Okay, it's Bonfire Night tonight here in England. As you can see outside of our flat.
No, we're not in Lebanon. We're not getting bombed. This is...
I can't see. You hold it.
This is the English version of 4th of July. If you can hear me, this is actually right across the parking lot from us.
Listen, the whole city is blowing up. Actually, the whole country is, but our city is just... It sounds like Beirut.
They do this every year on November 5th. Conveniently enough, it comes right after the presidential election in the United States.
Yay, Obama!
So it's our kind of our way of celebrating for Obama. They're quiet now. See if we can get some more video if they start it up again.
I can hear it this one.
Yeah.